This room used to be my least favorite place in the house, always freezing in the winter and way too hot in the summer. So I installed this Costway unit, and just like that, perfectly warm. The fast heating is a total lifesaver in the morning, and of course, it's a beast of an AC in the summer too. So now, this is my favorite room all year round. For a unit that heats and cools this quickly, the price is just unbeatable. It's the best upgrade I've made to this house.